Well, for the backup camera 2020 F-250, I cleaned out the connectors as much as I can with the exit, and here's why I found the wire. This is the pin, so that white wire must be in here. And now if you look at the connectors, two pins, so it's gonna go in like that. That means that the white wire, the one that's got ripped out from here, should have been connected to this wire, not here. Well, I guess I need to correct that and figure out some kind of a way to plug it in and hold it in, even though the seal got screwed. Alright, I'll think of something. Thanks.